Is that Xander's? I asked just to make conversation and pointing towards the familiar black and white starred. I didn't change it. I didn't change it, and I was like, what did we say?
What?
Okay, again. Okay. How the fuck? He started to ask, then changed course. Did you smuggle her in here? Oh, wow. That was weird English. My apologies. Wow, we're just all over the place right now.
You really are. Well, it's funny.
Okay, let me start it, because there's some gag reel in here. Let's start it from, how the fuck? Maybe. Okay. No. Oh, sorry.
No. That would be my line again.
I'm so sorry. Hey, did you guys see that dancer next? Oh, fuck, that's Sander. Oh, I thought it was me. I'm so sorry. Why are you looking at girls' asses, rather? That's Noah. Oh, God, sorry. It's just the bad speaking. I'm so sorry. Let me just calm down and do it again. Okay. Especially because I said I just knocked into my mic. And also because I said dancer between American accent and English accent. It was like dancer. It was very weird.
Dancer.
Yeah.
You tiny dancer.
I would change the song quite a bit. Right, here we go. Blonde one, tallish, great ass. No, man. Carter said, wow, where's Carter from? No, man.
No, man.
No, man. No, I can't undo.
The second one was even better.
Hang on. No, man. Mike, did we say no?
You did now, but you didn't before, I don't think.
What a dickhead. Okay, so sorry.
What is going on with us?
I don't know, I think it's so good to have... Oh, I burped so hard. I'm sorry. I've apparently had too much whiskey already.
Yeah.
Pardon me, excuse me, guys. Oh, gosh. Okay.
Wow.
Yeah. Most people... Yeah.
Most people do not call you Bella because that is not your name.
Correct. Right. Let me slap again. Oh, wow. Just what a mess, huh?
Oh, my God.
He bit me gently in the neck.
He bit
me gently in the neck. He bit me gently in the neck. I lifted my body into his. He lifted up slightly and clumsily undid his shoulders. His trousers. Why did I say shoulders? What drugs?
How do you undo your shoulders?
That sounds painful. So sorry. There's a gag reel for you. Okay. Let me try again.
Starting again.
Let me try again.
Tired him out, did you?
I did.
Will you stop trying to say my lines?
I'm sorry. Okay, take it again. Bella, who was sitting across from Xander, said gently, "Perhaps you would like to go." Oh, my lord, that's yes. Bella.
Would you like me to say my own lines?
I would.
Like we have been doing.
I'm so sorry. Let me let you do that. So,
yes.
Where were we?
Tired him out, did you?
Oh, that's you again.
That would be my line again.
I'm so sorry. I'm like, no. All right, here you go. Go, take it. Take your line.